Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about single replacement reactions as part of Chapter 11. And to help you get ready for your lab tomorrow, you should be able to recall what occurs in a single replacement reaction, and then use the activity series to predict if one is going to occur should you see two elements. What is a single replacement reaction? Let's do some review. A single replacement reaction is when one element replaces another one in a compound, all of this undergoing through a chemical reaction. So there's a chemical change going on. Your example is silver chloride plus lithium gives you lithium chloride and silver metal. So why does a single replacement reaction occur, or how does it occur? To understand this, let's use an example that maybe you're familiar with about homecoming. So maybe two people are going to the homecoming dance together. And remember, Mr. Shaw is not an artist. And this is a compound. So a couple. And let's say a stronger person with maybe bigger, taller person with muscles, or in this case a really big hand, comes along and breaks up or replaces someone in that compound so that you have this stronger person now being paired with the girl at the homecoming dance as a new couple or compound. So that's how a single replacement reaction occurs. A stronger person replaces the weaker person in the compound. How can we tell an element in our case is stronger or weaker? We go by something called the activity series chart. The activity series chart allows us to predict if an element is more reactive, so more reactive enough than the element it might replace. For metals, we have higher reactivity in order to lower reactivity, and so metals can replace another metal provided that they are above the metal that they are trying to replace. So lithium will replace all metals below it. Lead will only replace ones like hydrogen all the way down to gold, because it can't replace anything above because it's not more reactive than those above it. So this cannot happen. Gold won't replace anything because it's the least reactive metal. The same idea occurs for nonmetals. So in nonmetals, halogens can replace other halogens, again provided that they're above the halogen that they're trying to replace. So fluorine will replace all of them. Iodine is the least reactive, so it won't replace any of the ones above it. So in short, that is how you use the activity series to predict single replacement reactions, whether or not they will occur. You're going to do this tomorrow in your lab, so make sure you come prepared with the pre-lab assignment. Other than that, have a great night, and I'll see you all tomorrow.